Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll go over a problem for which we'll use the concept of compound interest. So let's go over the problem. So Harry borrows $10,000 to buy a car at 7.25% annual rate compounded annually. And the loan is to be paid back in 5 years. What is the payoff amount? So as you can see, this is a case of lump sum exchange. Harry borrows $10,000 as one amount, and then at the end of 5 years, he'll pay back those $10,000 and the interest back. So in this case, since there is only one exchange that happens at the beginning and another exchange of money that happens in the end, we'll use the lump sum formula for it. So here we have to use the future value formula. The formula is future value equals present value times 1 plus r over n to the power n t. Now in this formula, FV is the future value. So in this problem, we have to calculate the future value. It's unknown. PV is the present value. And in this case, it's the loan amount, which is $10,000. R represents the APR or the annual percent rate, which is equal to 7.25%, and represents the compounding frequency factor. And in this case, since the compounding frequency is annually, this value is equal to 1, and T represents the number of years, after which the loan becomes due, and that is 5 years. So these are the values we have to input in this formula to calculate the future value of the loan, or the amount of money Harry has to pay back to pay off the loan. So let's start with the subbing in the values. So the equation becomes, now in the formula we'll have to use the R value in decimal form. So we'll have to convert this percentage to decimal form by dividing it by 100. So I got 0.0725. So there's a very important step you have to understand and memorize. N is equal to 1 because the compounding frequency is annual, and then 1 times 5. So these are the values that go into the formula. Now we have to simplify. So first we'll simplify the terms inside the parentheses. We will multiply the exponent 1 times 5, which is 5, and in the parentheses, so 0.0725 divided by 1 is equal to 0.0725. Next we have to add the terms inside the parentheses. So 1 plus 0.0725, which is equal to 1.0725. Now the next step is to evaluate the exponent term. So for that we have to use our calculator. So in our calculator we should input 1.0725 to the power 5. So I got 1.419013425. I'm using the full decimal value here that I'm getting in my calculator because I want to find the exact value for the future value amount. And next, we have to multiply 10,000 by this long decimal number. So I get 14,190.13. Now, since this is the final answer and it's a dollar value, I'm rounding the answer to the nearest cent, which is 2 decimal places. So this is the final answer for this problem. So we can write the payoff amount is $14,190.13. So if you find this video useful, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.